Welcome to Kings Alley in Calgary. A home must meet your needs to make you feel like you belong. Kings Alley is all about community and family. And that's because it's tucked away in Braeside, a quiet neighborhood, where you'll definitely get to know your friendly neighbors. When renting with Avenue Living Communities, we treat you like family. That's because we want your journey and experience to be a positive one. With a leasing office and employees on site at Kings Alley, you can feel comfort in knowing we're always there for you. Not to mention our dedicated maintenance team can act promptly and quickly to respond to any concerns you have. Do you have pets in your family? They belong here too. Take a relaxing walk with your dog through Braeside Park on the evenings after the kids get home from school. With walkable trails through this beautiful neighborhood to schools, say goodbye to the exhausting school runs and give yourself a little more free time. This is simple, relaxing suburban living. In-suite laundry and dishwasher make the chores easy with the comfort of being at home. When the sun's out, you'll enjoy the weather out on the balcony. And when it's cold outside, your vehicle is safely parked outside the front door, plugged in. What about amenities? Just around the corner, have a morning coffee at Tim Hortons, in the vicinity of banks, a daycare, and restaurants. As you drive out of the neighborhood, make a quick stop at Shoppers Drug Mart on your way to the local grocery stores at Safeway and Calgary Co-op, or visit the South Centre Mall, within a 10-minute drive.